Hey, Darren Chupp here with Chupp Industrial in Chouteau, Oklahoma. I'm standing here with our Landhonor Cement Mixer or concrete mixer for skid steers. We are going to do a project today and we're going to be utilizing this machine. We have a small pad we're pouring for a new air compressor inside of a building. So this is going to allow us to get this concrete mixed and pour it right there inside the building instead of mixing bags by hand or having a concrete truck come. Anyway, this machine, this Landhonor, is a heavy-duty concrete mixer. It's got a side discharge chute that's manually operated. It also features a lower discharge chute with a tube, 6-foot tube, so you can direct where you're discharging that concrete to. There is a 12-volt solenoid which controls the operation of the lower chute. Your hydraulic controls from your skid steer are going to be mixing the paddles, mixing the concrete. When it's time to discharge that concrete, you've got a button here, which is 12 volts need to be supplied to this button. We're achieving that today with a 12-volt battery pack. So you can find a 12-volt power source on your machine, or we could supply you with this portable 12-volt power pack so you're not trying to splice into wires in your machine, and whenever you receive this unit, it's ready to go, especially if you've got the 12-volt power pack that we can supply to you. So anyway, that's just a little bit about this Landhonor concrete mixer, and we're going to show you how we're going to use it. All right, I'm here in the cab of the machine. I'm just going to show you a little bit about the hydraulic operation. We're operating a JCB skid steer. It's going to vary between brands, but we're going to turn our auxiliary hydraulics on. It's going to supply constant flow to the machine, and I can lock my hydraulics on with a trigger here so that's a constant flow, and then from there that's going to operate my paddles. So whenever I want to operate my lower chute, I've got a button here. So whenever I turn this button on, it's going to divert flow from the mixing paddle to the cylinder which operates the chute. Now once I've directed flow to the chute, I've got a directional button on my joystick where I can open or close that. So depending on which way I push the button on my joystick, I'm opening and I'm closing that lower chute that's hydraulically controlled.